Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed my everyday makeup tutorial for spring 2018 because we're in 2018 and we just went into spring. It's the 1st of April today, so happy April Fools, happy Easter. When this is going up, this is actually going to be Easter Monday. I don't know, I really don't know what they're called. Like, I said this in my outro as well, but is it Good Friday and Good Monday, or is it, what is the Monday? Basically, I'm hoping to get this up on the Monday, like the Easter Monday. Oh, that's what it's called, isn't it? Easter Monday. No, it's Easter Sunday. I don't really know. This is just like a peachy, really easy to do makeup look. If you guys don't want to do the wing liner, you don't have to. If you don't want to put on lashes, you don't have to. These are Lily lashes in the style Goddess. Also, in springtime, I know a lot of people prefer more natural finish foundations, but I don't. I always wear full coverage if it's spring, autumn, winter, summer, whenever. I will be wearing, most of the time, this Makeup Forever stick right here. So I applied that, even though in spring, a lot of people like less coverage foundations. So if you want to change that up, feel free. You do you, boo, basically. But I hope this inspired you and you can take some things from this for your everyday makeup routine for spring. And if you do recreate it, please tag me in your photos on Instagram, and all my social medias are linked in the description box below. Before I let you watch the video, please do remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with all your friends. And do remember to turn on my little post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Please keep on watching if you want to see how I got my everyday makeup routine for spring. Yes. Okay, bye guys, love you. Mwah. Hey guys, so yeah, as I said in the intro, today is going to be my everyday makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's just get straight on in with it. I've already moisturized my skin with the Glam Glow, like matte glow kind of thing moisturizer. I think that's what it's called. It's really good, would definitely recommend it though. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply MAC Strobe Cream. There's not much left in here, but I'm gonna apply whatever's left. I feel like it's spring. You guys know me, I love a good old glowy finish to my foundation. I just love to glow everywhere basically. So yeah, I feel like in spring, starting to get a little bit warmer. Well, not in England, but in every other country in the world, starting to get a little bit warmer. I feel like being dewy is like a real thing for like spring, summertime every year. It's like the sun's out, I'm gonna be dewy. Everyone likes a good old natural finish, but then there's me who's gonna go in with a full coverage foundation anyway. Because you know what? I don't care if it's spring, summer, winter, autumn, whatever. I'm gonna wear a full coverage. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover X primer. You guys might know this is my favorite primer. I'm going in with 1.5 pumps of this just all over my face. I will not use a primer other than this. This is my favorite primer ever. I just think it really helps makeup stick to your skin, and it really hydrates my skin. I love my skin feeling hydrated because of all the powder I put on it. If there isn't loads of hydrating products underneath, I will die. Literally just die. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick. Mine's in the shade Y365 because I do have a bit of a tan going on today, and I'm gonna paint this all over my skin. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you saw the video, but in my I Turn Myself Into a Barbie Doll video, I used this foundation and my Jouer one, and oh my god, that is my favorite combination at the moment. But my Jouer one is quite pale, so I can't wear it when I've got tan on, but that is such a good combination, just saying. Got an itch in my nose. Charming, I know. By the way, sorry for my voice, I'm getting a bit sick because my sister came home from uni with a cold and she gave it to me. I know, so lovely. But I'm gonna go in with some of my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops now. These are in the shade Sunlight, and I'm gonna apply these just on my cheekbone. I feel like I applied way too much on that cheekbone, but we'll go with it. Oh, yep, that is a lot of highlighter. Okay. Okay, change of plan. I'm applying it all over my face because I applied way too much on this cheekbone. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender now, and I'm gonna blend that all out. By the way, guys, I'm using the pink beauty blender today, but I definitely prefer the black one. Just a little heads up. My voice is actually pissing me off so much. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Cover Concealer. As you guys can see, this is like my all-time favorite concealer. Mine's in the shade Canal, I think, and it is so good. Would definitely recommend. And I'm just gonna take that on my beauty blender as well, under my eyes. Yeah, so I'm just applying that under my eyes with my beauty blender. Do you guys see the coverage on that though? Like what? Like I have the worst under eye bags ever, and this concealed them. So actually guys, if you mix this with Tarte Shape Tape, oh my god, best thing you'll ever do in your life, but my Tarte Shape Tape is in the bathroom right now, so that ain't happening. I'm gonna go ahead and bake that with my RCMA No Color powder. If you guys still haven't got this powder, what are you even doing? Like, it is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with that same powder on my beauty blender as well. I never used to do this. Then I did the following the James Charles makeup tutorial, and he did this. So I did it, obviously, because I had to follow what he did. And it just presses the powder into your skin, like seamlessly. I'm just like shook. Okay, probably got a bit too much powder on my skin right now, but oh well, we'll work with it. Oh guys, I want to do an eyebrow routine video for you. So let me know in the comments if you would like that, because I get so many questions on my eyebrows and I just want to know if you guys would like to see that, because I know I always do them off of camera, but it's just easier that way because I think everyone has a completely different brow shape, and I'd want to do a whole video sort of just telling you guys how I do it and talk through it and everything. But yeah, let me know if you would like that or not, and then I'll know whether to film it or not. But yeah, just comment down below. I'm gonna wipe off the powder on my face, but avoiding the areas that we're baking because we're gonna let that sit for a little bit longer. I'm just gonna apply that same concealer onto my eyelids to prime them before eyeshadow. Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Looks like this, so pretty. We're gonna go in with the shade Eden, which is just this one here. This is gonna go on a MAC 224 brush, and I'm just gonna start blending that through our crease to add some definition in there. It's spring, so we're gonna go for more peachy tones on the eyes today. This brush is dirty, so I'm really scared what's gonna happen, because I did purples with it yesterday and I'm a bit scared, but let's hope and pray for the best. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer for my eyes. There you go. I like to bring my eyeshadow quite far out. You guys don't have to do this, but I just quite like to. This part isn't set properly. There we go. I'm gonna go with my MAC 217 brush. I'm going to mix together Blazing and Saffron, which are these two shades right here, and I'm going to put those in the outer part of my eye just like that. You don't want to add too much because I still want this look to be relatively soft. I just like having that definition in the outer part of my eye. Okay, so on the lid, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Peach Goddess. This is smashed, I'm pretty sure, so I'm not going to show you what it looks like. Oh, no, it's not. I repressed it. Genius here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up on this random brush that I have. It's just a random flat shaded brush. And yeah, I'm gonna pack that onto my eyelid. But before I do that, I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus just to really intensify it. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply that on my eyelid. Guys, I think I'm actually going to go in with a few of these Makeup Geek Sparkler in the shade Halo. It's just a really pretty shimmery glitter kind of thing. And I'm just going to apply some Fix Plus onto my eyelid. So just spray my eyelid with some Fix Plus. My voice, I'm so sorry. But I'm going to spray eyelid with some Fix Plus and then apply this over the top. Okay, so that's the eyelids done. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, lashes and liner off of camera as always, and I'm going to be right back with you when they are done to finish off the face. Alright, see you in a few. Bye! Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and take Hoola by Benefit, and I'm going to start contouring with this. Well, not really contouring, just bronzing kind of. Just like that. This jumper's really annoying me. It's one of them like teddy jumpers. It's by Fila. I really liked it when I first bought it, but I just don't anymore. I never wear it, so I thought let me wear it again, see if I like change my mind on it. But it's just too long. It's not cropped, but it's not full length. It's so weird. But anyway, yeah, I'm just applying Hoola bronzer onto my cheeks and down my nose and my forehead area just to add some more definition into those areas, really. Just where the sun would naturally hit your face. It just adds more dimension. That's the word I was looking for. And now to really add warmth to my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever bronzer in the shade 25i, and I'm just gonna apply that over the top of Hoola, but a bit more just like everywhere kind of, just to warm up my skin. Yeah, so I'm also gonna take Hoola under my jawline, just because I forgot to do that when I was like using Hoola. So on the same brush, this is just a Morphe M405 brush, one of my favorites. Every time I use a Morphe brush, I just think use code James for 10% off. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe X Bretman Rock highlighter palette, and I'm gonna go in with Vacation, which I just got that name. That is so funny. Oh my god, Bretman Rock cracks me up. I never really read it. Vacation. Right, I can't even say that. I'm gonna go with, I can't say it. I'm gonna go in with Vacation. That's too funny, right? And I'm gonna take it on an Anastasia A23 brush, and I'm gonna spray that with some Fix Plus and just apply it onto my cheekbones. This is such a stunning shade. It's kind of like a champagne gold shimmer. I love this. How's your day going? Have I blinded you? Okay, sorry. I'm not being funny. I used to do a makeup look really similar to this every single day spring last year. I just didn't do any winged liner, and I used Miami Lashes by Lily Lashes. These are goddesses, and I didn't do any definition in the outer V, so it was so simple, took me so quick, but it always looked so nice. Like, it was my favorite makeup look. I should have just done that today. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that same Vacation shade onto my nose with my Zoeva Luxe Detail pencil thing. Luxe Pencil 230 brush from Zoeva. Just applying it down my nose. And I'm gonna apply that on my inner corners as well and under my brow bone. Basically everywhere because I want to glow today. So I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus all over my face just to let that all sink into my skin. Why is the only Happy Easter Snapchat that I got today from like Team Snapchat though? I'm so vexed about it. Oh yeah, Happy Easter guys, I didn't even say it. Shit, now I feel bad. Okay, so on my lower lash line, I am just gonna take Eden on my 217 brush and just blend it underneath. I don't want too much on my lower lash line like at all. Guys, I have a question. So festival season, I know it's not soon, but it's kind of soon. Like I'm so excited for festivals. So I kind of want to do a festival makeup tutorial even though it's just April and festivals are like June through to August. Would you guys be down for that? I mean, I know festivals aren't for a while, but I don't know, I love festivals. I'm already starting to collect my outfits. Okay guys, sorry about that. My SD card just got full. Oh yeah, what I was saying is if you guys want me to do a festival makeup look, let me know because I'm just so excited for festival season, basically. I think I was going on a little bit of a rant about how like I'm organizing all my outfits and everything, but that is a bit irrelevant. So I'm gonna apply my lower lash mascara now. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Stripped. I just applied that without a mirror, so let's see how that went. Not too shabby, right. So over the top, I'm gonna take Benefit A-Lister Lip Gloss. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Matte Clear Lip Glass. Let me clean off my hands and then I will do the outro. Bye! Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. There's lipstick on my teeth, isn't there? Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it sort of gave you some inspiration if you want to change up your makeup routine a little bit now that it's getting into the springtime. As I will have said in the intro, I don't really have an everyday makeup routine. If I'm in a rush or I don't know what to do, I will tend to lean towards a look like this. I think peachy pink tones are really appropriate for spring as well. If it's not peachy pinks, I'll either go with like golden oranges, but it will always be similar to this. Yeah, if you guys do recreate it, tag me in your photos on Instagram. All my social medias are linked in the description box. As always, you guys know. Yeah, I hope you have an amazing Easter. Hope you have an amazing April. Let me know what you guys did on Easter because I'm pretty sure this is gonna go up on Good Monday. Is that what it's called? I always get confused. It's like Good Friday and then Good Monday. Good Friday, I don't know. Resurrection Monday? I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. Please let me know in the comments though because I'm kind of a bit interested. Remember to like, subscribe and comment before you leave. And yeah, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.
Until you find your way back home.